Hey guys, this is Kenrick Thompson with United Real Estate. And guys, I have a truly special home for you guys today. We're gonna be looking at a Tuscan craftsman design style home. That's the front elevation on this home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, approximately 3,200 square feet, 2,000 on the upper level and 1,000 on the lower level. This is a Rodrock development. So guys, this one is absolutely stunning. Coming up, we have our diamond cut on the front entryway, 3-car attached garage. What a lot of things we're going to be looking on this one, guys. This one was a model home that has been converted into one of the actual listings. So you're going to see a lot of updates on this one, including this gorgeous landscape. And before we're done, you'll see some really cool drone shots of that. All right, come up. Let's take a look inside of this absolutely stunning home. All right, guys, so once you come in through the front door, the first thing you're greeted with is these absolutely stunning walnut floors. These are not updates, guys. These are upgrades. So we have a library / office off the front entry. Now coming around, we have 2 beautiful areas here. So this is a granite, custom niche areas. Absolutely stunning. You come and put some nice touches on here. This is the great room, 11-foot great room. All the other rooms are 9 feet. And guys, this is the place you want to come out and hang out, right? Get nice and warm and toasty by the fireplace. Come and put your flat screen up. Watch your thieves do their thing, guys. Absolutely stunning. Now, once we come around, this is open concept, and we have our quartz countertop. This typically would be granite countertops, but this is an update, guys. So we have large quartz countertop. We have our brushed nickel and our undermount sink. 2 beautiful pendant lights. And guys, take a look at this one, right? So take a look at this gorgeous Tuscan feel backsplash with our pot fillers. Come in and make your nice pasta. This is the place to do it. We've got a nice range up top as well. All right, now, so this one is a 3-car garage. That's the entry to the 3-car garage. Take a look at the attention to detail. We have bull noses on the sides. So we have nice curved edges. And then in the kitchen, again, we see the beautiful double stack. Now, as you come down, we also have a sunroom. So you don't have to be in Florida only to come and enjoy sunroom. We got this lovely large sunroom with our box beams up top. Absolutely stunning. Now let's come around and take a look at the master bedroom. So we have a generously sized master bedroom. We have double trade ceilings. You can come in and put your LED lights up top. Absolutely gorgeous. We have our clerestory windows and our beautiful barn style doors. Now I know you want to see this bathroom. Let's go inside and take a look, all right? So bathroom, full updates, guys, full level updates. We have our 0 threshold with our seat there as well, double shower heads. And then we also have our center drain tub, stunning, with our water closet to the back of me, okay? Is this a bedroom or a closet? You tell me. This is a large master closet. And then coming around, we also have washer dryer hookup on the main level. Easy, super convenient for laundry, all right? This is gonna serve as the additional bedroom or the additional bathroom or guest restroom. And then this is right off the front entry. And then this would be the additional bedroom. All right, let's go downstairs, guys, and take a look at the rest of the home. All right, guys, now let's take a look downstairs. Now, on our way down, we have wrought iron spindles all the way down. We have these beautiful baseboards, looks like about 4 or 5 inches. And then we have the staircase is also lit, taking us down. And guys, take a look at this large master basement. We're looking at about 1,000 square foot of finished space. Absolutely stunning. The ceilings are about 9 feet on the ceilings. This one is also pre-wired for your speakers, your surround sound. And guys, nothing like being in the basement and having your full wet bar, quick access to all your beverages, okay? Now, utility closets is downstairs, and we also have another large area that's unfinished. If you're a bowler, maybe put a bowling alley in there, okay? All right, now coming down as well, 2 bedrooms are below grade. This is one of the bedrooms. Good colors, good size in the space, good flow to the home. And then to our left is our 4th bedroom. And this would be our shared bathroom, okay? Absolutely stunning design, absolutely stunning layout on this one. All right, guys, let's head outside and take a look at the deck area. But before we get there, we want to take a couple more things that I think are really, really neat. So as we talked about when we entered, we have walnut floors, but check out the built-ins, guys. Throughout this entire home, we have walnut cabinets, built-ins on the side, and we have this lovely cultured stone that flanks the fireplace. Nice warmth to the home, guys. Absolutely nice warmth to the home. And then on a nice sunny day where we're gonna spend some time outside, we got a covered deck, and this one is actually a cedar deck, guys. So nice updates to this one as well. Now, if you look around, there's some cameras. This one also comes with a security system. And why? Security and privacy is #1 to us, guys. So absolutely stunning, well thought out. This one is also pre-wired for your surround sound. And we also, for those hot days, we have this nice fan up here as well. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this property tour. If you are in the market thinking about buying or selling a home, or you'd like to have your home featured, go ahead and reach out to us, guys. We'd love to earn your business. And until our next video, talk soon.